In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button to a Squarespace header. If you want to make an important action stand out on your website, adding a button to your header is a great way to do it. A header button can help guide visitors towards something specific, like contacting you, booking a service, or visiting a key page. In Squarespace, this is a quick change once you know where to look. To get started, open your Squarespace site and go to the area where you can manage your website design. From there, click on Edit Site Header. This will open the header settings where you can customize the layout and choose which elements appear in that top section of your site. The header is one of the most visible parts of your website, so even a small update here can make a big difference in usability and conversions. Once you're inside the header editor, look for the option that says Add Elements and click on it. This is where Squarespace lets you add new items to your header, such as navigation features, branding elements, and action items. If you don't immediately see the exact layout you expect, that's normal. The available options can vary slightly depending on your template or site version, but the general process is the same. After opening the Elements menu, click on Button. As soon as you do that, Squarespace will add a button element to your header. This is the key step that places a clickable call to action in that top area of your website. At this point, the button has been added, and from here, you can continue adjusting its text, link, or placement based on your site's needs. A good tip is to keep the button label short and clear so visitors instantly understand what it does. Header buttons work best when they highlight what primary action rather than competing with too many other choices. That's all it takes to add a button to a Squarespace header. The process is simple. Open the site header editor, add elements, and then choose the button option. If you're updating your site for better navigation or stronger calls to action, this is an easy improvement that can have a noticeable impact on the visitor experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly add a header button in Squarespace.